Hey guys, welcome back to another sprinkler video. I'm going to be showing you in this video how to troubleshoot if your sprinkler looks blank in the front. As you can see, mine does right now. I spent way too long trying to figure out what was going on with it, so I'm going to show you what I found in mine. Alright, so this is what my sprinkler system was looking like. I had no idea what was going on. It was just showing blank, but like everything looked like it was plugged in. I came back here, I opened this up, and I changed the battery, everything, and what I didn't realize was that this thing was actually just had popped off probably the last time that I had used my sprinkler. So I just used both hands real quick and pop it back on. As soon as I plugged it in, it powered right up and went back to normal. So that was what was wrong with my sprinkler system. Everything else was all good to go. I didn't actually need a battery in here, but I know this is simple, and I know I'm sure there's a lot more complicated fixes, but definitely something for you guys to check out. I hope this video was helpful for you guys. If it was, give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment down below. If you are looking for more Hunter sprinkler system how-to videos, I will leave my playlist linked down below for you guys, and I will catch you on my next one. Bye!